Okay, this is removing and reinstalling a liner for an N40-5. These are fed through slots in the cheek pads. So the first thing I'm going to do is reach under here, unsnap, unsnap. This is a tab. Pull that out of there. Do the same on the other side. Okay, this buckle's thicker, so yeah, you do have to push it through like that. Now that you've got this open like this, you can just start pulling the tabs out. See these tabs? That's all you're doing is pulling them out. There. Peel it out. You've got a tab left there. Okay, that's all you do to take it out. To reinstall, we're going to set it in there kind of the way it would sit in there. Just like that. I'm going to feed my chin straps back through. Find the hole, put your finger through like this. That way you'll be able to find it. There it is. Same thing on this side. There it is. See how you're going to find it way through like this. Make sure it's not twisted, otherwise you'll have lumps. Going to feed that through. Just like that. Make sure you have all the pieces and parts out that you want. Okay, then I'm going to snap it back in. See, this is going to be, you can see it right here. It's just a slot that this little tab goes in. You're going to do that all the way around. I've got my snap here. Okay, on your front, you do want to make sure you're getting it in this slot here and not somewhere behind your sun visor. Otherwise, the sun visor will not function properly. It'll get stuck. So make sure your tabs are actually in the little slots made for them right there. Yeah, I almost missed that one. Again, make sure it's in the little slot that's made for it. Check to make sure it operates. There it goes. And you're good to go. Push the red button.